what I would do is to urge Congress to restore the death penalty by hanging.
Stop drugs and crime, criminality in 3 to 6 months.
Penalty or capital punishment has been a part of human history for centuries.
It's not my business. Yung death penalty to me is the retribution. Magbayad ka sa ginawa.
Death penalty involves the state-sanctioned execution of individuals convicted to serious crimes. However, the morality and effectiveness of the death penalty have been hotly debated for decades.
Some people believe it's a necessary punishment for certain crimes, while others view it as a cruel and inhumane exploring both sides.
Kinabahan po ako. Kasi po para sa akin yung death penalty po parang pangit pakinggan eh.
Isa nagaganap dito sa Pilipinas na hindi pa masyadong nasusolusyonan. Ginagawa na lang po nila yon para po mabuhay yung pamilya nila. Hindi nila yung ginagawa para gusto nila.
We also know about the history of Jose Rizal death penalty from the crime that he did not do and killing a life of an innocent. But this does not stop us from revolution.
This against the left, emphasizing permissive, security, innocence, individual potential for racial bias in its application and the high cost associated with capital punishment.
Mga heinous crime, yung karumal-dumal na krimen. Yan ang po dapat ilagay sa immediately sa death penalty, whatever form it is, acceptable na po sa amin.
Individuals who have been affected by the death penalty, including victims, families, death row, inmates, and legal experts.
Nagmamakaawa po kami kung may alam kayo na makakatulong para malutas ang kaso ng karumal-dumal na ginawa nila sa magulang ko.
Strong opinions on both sides. While some see it as a necessary punishment for the most serious crimes.
The others believe it is a cruel and irreversible punishment that is prone to errors and biases. We encourages viewers to consider the arguments presented, engage in critical thinking, and form their own informed opinions.
Isa ako sa matutuwa dahil nga magkakaroon na ng death penalty dito sa Pilipinas. Medyo dismayado rin kasi syempre wala naman tayong karapatan tumikil ang buhay ng tao eh. Kasi tao lang din naman tayo eh.
Brutal na yung nangyayari sa regarding drug. Parang brutal na masyado na silang uncontrollable. Para makontrol sila, ang solusyon, death penalty.
Ultimately, it aims to spark a deeper understanding and a more nuanced discussion about the death penalty in society.
We stand for life.
We stand for life.
We stand for life.